Getting a little sunshine here in Romania. Things are finally starting to warm up a little bit. Spring is on its way. And here we have Romanian lei. 50, 10, 10, 10. Hey there. So the Romanian lei currently is about 4 to 1 to the US dollar, and so 50 lei would be about like 12 bucks. 10 lei there would be like $2.50. Here I am in my room in Cluj-Napoca, a small city of about 325,000 people here in the Transylvania region of Romania here. And I will give a quick tour. Nice comfy double bed, Wi-Fi inside the room here. Really nicely done here. Flat screen TV, private bathroom. So pretty much a perfect room here, and it is just $38 per night. Now keep in mind that it is low season. I am here in March, and so I don't know, the prices might go up if you're traveling in Romania in the summer, but that's a great price for a very nice room here in Romania, nice and quiet. It is also just a 5-minute walk away from the train station, and then the downtown area of Cluj-Napoca, or Cluj here, is like a 20-minute walk away, or you can take a tram. I will be heading into the city for some exploring in a little bit. And so I've been in Romania for almost 2 weeks now, and I've had even cheaper rooms in Constanța. Then I had a smaller room for just like $22 per night. In Bucharest, then I had a big apartment with a separate bedroom, a kitchen, a living room for just $40 per night. Now the room here also includes breakfast. However, breakfast is served from 7 in the morning until 10 in the morning. I slept in until 9:48, and I didn't want to go rushing down to grab breakfast right away. And so I went to a local grocery store that is just a 5-minute walk down the road here, and I got breakfast right here. A couple of bananas, yogurt, some biscuits, and a couple of pastries. And the total price was just 16 lei, which is about $4.30, so not bad for a nice breakfast. And so this is the train station right here, where I arrived yesterday from Sighișoara. And then my hotel is straight down that way, about a 5-minute walk. And the downtown area, and I guess the Central Plaza, is down this way. I walked down here a little ways last night to get dinner. So I'm going to walk down here again and get all the way down to the Central Plaza. There are buses and trams that go up and down the street here. I'm up for a little walk for now and check out some prices of things along the way. ATM machine there, and luckily I have not been charged a ATM fee so far in Romania. And right here is the restaurant that I ate at last night. Capriccio Pizzeria Bistro, and so it is Italian. Pizzas are 30 lei, 28 lei, 25 lei, and so remember to divide by 4, and so you're looking at $7 to $10. Pasta dishes, penne pasta, lasagna bolognese, ravioli, 28 to 33 lei. I had the lasagna bolognese for 28 lei, and then I had a bruschetta plate that was really good. Let's see, it was the mixed bruschetta for like 26 lei, and then a glass of wine. And so the total bill was 64 lei, and then I tipped 10 lei, and so that is 76 lei. That's basically $20 for, you know, a fancy restaurant there. And this is a very classic old building here. I'm sure buses and trams are nice and cheap. Probably $1 or so. Bank Transylvania. And I think we're going to go over a river here. Yep. We got pretzels. Looks like just one lei. That's 25 cents. And drinks are 4 lei, so that's $1. Looks like a pretzel and hot chocolate is 3 lei, so that's 75 cents. and a canal here. Definitely in the old city here. Carrefour Market. That is where I got my breakfast stuff this morning, except that it was one that was down at the end by the train station there. They're kind of all over Europe. I think they might be like from somewhere in Western Europe. But up ahead, looks like might be the central square and the main cathedral. Wow, that is quite a cathedral there. This is a cool town. A lot of interesting, creative looking people around here. Man, that is a big one. And this is a nice scene here. Today is a Friday. Matthias Rex. And then this is a walking area straight ahead here, it looks like. There is a street over on the right, but looks cool for exploring. So just gonna walk down this way a little more. Some good looking dishes here. And something here is 17 lei, which is $4. Soup, it looks like. And then I'm not sure if that's like a main course or what, but it's only $4. Tramway Cafe Bistro. And here at Mama Manu, non-stop fast food. You can get, looks like chicken nuggets, fries, and a drink for 13 lei. About $3.50. Teatrul National Opera Romania Cluj. I guess the Romanian National Opera House of Cluj, something like that. And check it out, a Saturday or Friday market going on. Very nice quality local crafts, it looks like. $70 lei per kg, so about $20 for 2 pounds, 10 bucks a pound roughly. I'm sure that's some high quality cheese. A variety of meats and cheeses. Ooh, and some good looking fudge, it looks like. Oh wow. It's cranberries. Alright, I'm going to head back to the main square there, find a spot to grab a beer and get a little snack. And just as I sat down, it started to rain. And got a soup here. I don't know what kind this is. The menu isn't in English, but a soup and a beer on the main plaza is 24 lei or $6. And so whatever that soup was, it was really good. I'm now walking back to my hotel, and I just wanted to mention about the prices of the trains getting around Romania. I've taken all trains. The train system is really good. There's a wide range in the cost of the train tickets depending on the train as well as the class. And so just to give an example then, my last two train trips, one of them was on a second class train. There was no first class option, and it was only 18 lei, which is like $4.50 for a 3.5 hour train journey. And then the next one that I took to get here was just a little bit longer, just like a 4-hour train ride, and that one cost 88 lei. It was for the first class on that train. It was still fairly basic, like the first class is not fancy if you saw my other video coming from Constanza, but 18 lei versus 88 lei for almost the same distance. I'm not sure why it was so much more expensive, but still that 88 lei is only like $25, so you know, still not bad. Getting around Romania is pretty cheap, especially if you go for the second class. All right, going to head back to my room, take a break, and then head out for dinner. Bruschettes. Looks amazing. And a Romanian stew with polenta, and it comes with an egg. Looks really good. And got a bottle of water here. Perla Hargute Imbeste Natura Apa. I know that apa means water. Minerala Naturala. Natural mineral water. That was a great meal. So the total was 72 lei, and then I tipped about 10, basically 80 lei. Again, that was about 20 bucks. Keep in mind, that was a, you know, fancy restaurant there. So that was the same restaurant that I went to last night that I showed earlier in the video. It is the only restaurant on this whole stretch from the train station. So stop there again. Nice place. The music playing there, really nice vibes. And a delicious Romanian stew, it was called. Not really a stew, it was more like just kind of sauteed pork with polenta and then salmon bruschette, really good. So anyways, a nice day here in Cluj, and tomorrow flying to Prague in the Czech Republic. So take it easy, more coming. Hope this video gave you a good idea of how expensive is Romania. See ya. Oh, and the water was 2 lei, or 50 cents.